Kunan Honlu Machinery Equipment Company Limited is a professional food trailer supplier. We have a professional design team and production team. Provide design drawings for your mobile trailer free of charge. Fully equipped or empty trailers can be customized. In addition to kitchen equipment, we also install toilets, bathrooms, cooling systems, etc. for customers. Whether selecting products from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for our application, we can discuss your procurement needs with our customer service center. We sincerely hope that friends from all over the world will come to our factory to discuss business, visit, exchange, and learn.